So I'm working at this all day today, guys. And I put the last set of lifters in. Got the other 12 in. It's the last 4. So if you guys want to see how to get the lifters in, they just basically go in the tray like such. You know, boom. There are grooves in there. You make sure the grooves on the lifters line up. Slide it in. Do that for all 4 of the lifters. And then, if you want to come here real quick, right on the block, you have this channel right here. Well, that's where this is going to go. Okay, you see that? That's where this is going to go right there. That channel has to go in there. So then you just slide them bad boys in like this. Like that. Now the lifters are in. And that's it. So doing a lot of work out here today. I just put the timing chain back on, got the timing gear hooked up with the cam gear. So I haven't had a lot of time to film, but I'm putting in work today, guys. I'll have a video live for you tomorrow. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm out here, I'm working, trying to get this car together. So if you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section.